Wow! Look at these 5 colorful surprise eggs. Are you ready to find out what's inside? Let's go to the park slide. Wow, it's an excavator. It scoops and digs all day long. It's an excavator. Look, it's a dump truck. It carries sand, rocks, and dirt in its big bucket. It's a dump truck. Surprise! It's a crane. It lifts heavy things way up high. It's a crane. Crack! It's a cement mixer. It mixes concrete while spinning round and round. It's a cement mixer. Boom! It's a road roller. It flattens roads and makes everything smooth. It's a road roller. Yay! We opened all 5 surprise eggs. Let's see what we found. It's an excavator. It's a dump truck. It's a crane. It's a cement mixer. It's a road roller. Thanks for watching. Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more surprise fun.